Jennifer Aniston is reportedly considering a quickie wedding to Justin Theroux. The couple got engaged in August 2012 on Justin's 41st birthday, and there have been numerous rumors surrounding their nuptials, with claims earlier this year they were to have a beach wedding. But the pair have yet to confirm any details of when they will exchange vows, and it was only last week Justin admitted he feels a hum of pressure. Although he has insisted he isn't bothered about fitting into other people's timeframes, it seems Jennifer doesn't feel the same way. Justin may be telling people that he's happy having a long engagement, but he seems to be ignoring the fact that Jen may not be, a source told British magazine Look. When they got engaged, she would have never imagined that 2 years down the line they still wouldn't have made it up the aisle. Jen has given Justin until the end of the year, and then she'll be seriously considering whether they should be together. She's even told him she would consider a quickie wedding because she knows how much he hates the idea of having a big ceremony. However, close friends are said to worry that both will be unhappy with the circumstances if she pushes him into it. Jennifer previously tied the knot with Hollywood heartthrob Brad Pitt, while Justin was with his ex Heidi Bivens for 14 years but didn't pop the question. To add to the strain, Brad married Angelina Jolie in August, and Jennifer's close pal and former Friends co-star Courteney Cox is currently engaged to Snow Patrol rocker Johnny McDade. Jen was always mindful that she didn't want there to be any clashes, the insider added, noting that, now her ex-husband has remarried, the 45-year-old actress feels there are no more holdups for her and her fiancé. Jen's been so careful in the past not to pressure Justin. But enough is enough. She needs to feel like things are moving forward.